This is my simple chicken biryani. Super rich, flavorful, and so easy to make. Heat up some oil in a pot. Add your sliced onions and fry till golden. Be careful not to burn it. Set some of the fried onions aside for later. In the same pot, add your chicken, garlic, and ginger paste. Stir till combined. Go in with your spices. Here I used red chili powder, chili flakes, garam masala, biryani spice, and garlic chicken seasoning. Stir till fully combined, then add your yogurt, some diced tomato, pepper mix, mint leaves and coriander leaves. Stir everything together. Add Maggi and salt. Cover the pot and let it cook on medium heat. As it cooks, the chicken will release moisture and cook in its own juices. Stir occasionally until the chicken is soft. While that's cooking, I boiled basmati rice with a few whole spices like cloves, star anise, cinnamon, cumin, cardamom, and a little salt. I cooked it till about 80% done, then drained and set it aside. Now it's time to layer. First, a layer of rice, then the cooked chicken masala. And fried onions. I repeated the layers and added a bit of chili oil and yellow food coloring. Mint and coriander leaves on top for color and aroma. Cover tightly and let it steam on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps all the flavors blend together and gives you that perfect biryani taste. Just look at this biryani, tender chicken, fluffy rice, and that amazing aroma. It's the kind of meal that brings everyone to the table. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this easy biryani recipe, please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.